Sony Bravia 5 Mini LED TV. Main features are Display Technology Mini LCD with full array local dimming. Sony refers to their backlight control as XR. Backlight Master Drive, which precisely controls thousands of mini LEDs for enhanced contrast and brightness. Resolution 4K Ultra HD 3840 by 2160. HDR support H10, Dolby Vision, and Hybrid Log Gamma HLG. Refresh rate 120 Hz native refresh rate. Processor XR processor with AI technology. This processor analyzes content in real time, enhancing color, contrast, and clarity. It includes features like XR Clear Image for upscaling and noise reduction, and XR Triluminous Pro for a wide color gamut. Smart TV Google TV operating system, providing access to various streaming apps, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and Google Assistant built in. Gaming features perfect for PlayStation 5, includes auto HDR tone mapping and auto genre picture mode when connected to a SFI. 4K 120 Hz support on two HDMI 2.1 ports. Variable refresh rate, VRR. Auto low latency mode. Connectivity for HDMI ports. At least two are HDMI 2.1, 2 USB ports. Ethernet, ARJ45. Wi-Fi 6, 802.11x. Bluetooth 5.3. Design. One slate design with a two-way narrow stand that can be positioned low profile or raised for a soundbar. Sizes. Available in a range of sizes, including 55, 65, 75, 85, and a very large 98 model.